Hi and welcome to your introductory yoga class. Well done for getting here. You've done the hard bit. You have committed to setting time aside to connect with your mind and your body. So whenever you're ready, just find a comfortable seated position on the floor, or if you've got a mat, grab one. And then you'll just need a couple of pillows to help bolster some of the positions that we'll come into today. So we're going to start with our easy pose, cross-legged position, knees wide. If actually you find that brings tension into your hips or your knees, grab a pillow, bring it under your bum so that the hips feel a little bit more supported and you can relax the inner thighs. From there, you want to place one hand on either knee, relax the shoulders down and away from the ears, find a nice long spine and lift out of the hips as you send the crown of the head up to the ceiling. So option here to close the eyes down, just gently softening the eyelids, or soften your gaze out in front of you. We'll start with a 4-4 breath. So this is a really good breathing technique to regulate your nervous system. So you're going to take a deep inhale using your belly, so using your diaphragm. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's do 5 more rounds. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, drive your navel in towards your spine. 3, 4. Inhale, get long, lift out of the hips. 2, 3, 4. Relax your shoulders. 2, 3, 4. 2 more rounds. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. And just notice that focus starting to sharpen as you focus on the breath. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe blinking the eyes back open if you close them down. We'll get into some movement, side bends. So inhale to reach your right arm up, lengthen through your side body as you reach over to the opposite side. So it doesn't have to be a huge movement, just enough to feel the space opening up between your ribs. Get that nice stretch. And then we'll swap sides. So an inhale to bring your left arm up, lift out of the hips. Exhale, get long through the side body. And we'll just keep it moving, marrying movement with breath. Inhale to reach up. Exhale to lengthen. And swap when you're ready. Inhale to reach up. Exhale, reach over towards the opposite side. Doesn't have to look like anything. You just want to feel more space coming into your sides. One more round, either side. Last one. Inhale to reach up. Exhale to come into that side bend. Inhale to bring both arms up, reach tall, long spine. Then we're going to twist. So opposite hand comes down to the outside of the knee. So right hand to left knee, left hand behind you, open the back shoulder. So we're getting into the thoracic spine here. Inhale to reach up. Exhale, opposite hand to knee. So that out breath really helps you to close the ribs and find a bit more space as you twist. So you're gently pressing the hands into the thigh. One more either side. Inhale to get long through the back body. Exhale to twist. Last one, opposite way. Exhale to twist. Open that back shoulder as best you can. And turn to face front. We're going to make our way onto our shins now into a tabletop position. So you want to more or less stack the shoulders directly over the wrists, the hips directly over the knees, and untuck the feet. If that brings a lot of pressure into the knee joints and it's not feeling particularly comfortable, grab a pillow once again and rest your knees down on that instead. We'll take some cat-cows here, so getting into the upper spine, the shoulders, the chest. So as you inhale, you're going to lift your tailbone and chest up towards the ceiling and look up. As you exhale, push the floor away, round through top of the back,
tuck your chin to your chest as you punch the chest in. So we're finding that nice dome through the upper back. Couple more rounds. Inhale to lift your chest and tailbone. Press the thumbs down, look up. And again, this doesn't have to be a huge movement. Exhale, round, and feel the shoulder blades spreading wide across your back. As you inhale, feel your shoulder blades drawing together behind your back. Lift the tailbone, lift the chest. Exhale, press away. Hug the chest inwards, hug the navel towards the spine. Push away from the floor. Couple more. Inhale to lift. And then just try to find a rhythm with it. So your breath leads and guides the movement of the body. Inhale to rise. Exhale to push away. Back to a neutral spine, and we'll thread the needle next. So, option to grab that second pillow. You're going to start from your tabletop position. Inhale to bring your left arm up and take the chest open. Exhale, thread your left arm across to the right side. Your palm faces up, and release your left shoulder down towards the mat. Now, if it won't go and that feels like a strain, in comes your cushion, place it to where it needs to be so that you can bring your shoulder down onto the cushion instead. Reach your right arm to the top of the room and relax your head completely. And just notice if you're shifting your weight left or right, try to center. And take 3 deep breaths as you lengthen through your right side. Exhale any tension out. So literally visualize any tension in the body coming out through your exhale. And then we'll swap sides. So sliding your right hand in, pressing up to tabletop. You might shift your cushion over to the opposite side. You're going to inhale to bring your right arm up, so a nice open chest. Exhale, thread across to the left side of the mat, palm faces the ceiling. Your shoulder might come down to the mat, or again, use the cushion to support, left arm reaches forward. Release the weight of your head completely, center your weight, find 3 deep breaths. So come back to that 4-4 breath if you can, in for 4. Breathe using the belly. And then out for 4, get nice and heavy. Exhale the tension out. Okay, slide that left hand in, come back up to tabletop. You might just want to move that cushion out of the way. We're going to come into a child's pose next. So option to keep the cushion under your knees, or you might remove it as you send the hands to the top of the mat and your bum bones towards your heels. So you're lengthening out the spine, dropping the forehead down. Now a couple of options here. If your forehead doesn't comfortably touch the ground, again, cushion, forehead to cushion, so you're supported there. Alternatively, you could bring the cushion between your glutes and your heels, and that again just provides a little bit more support for the hips. So either or maybe you use both. So adapt to what your body needs, and then find 5 deep breaths here. So we're releasing the weight of the head down, and just lengthening the space between the vertebrae, letting the shoulders relax. And breathing using your diaphragm. So as you inhale, think of drawing into your lower lungs. Your belly expands, pressing onto your thighs. And as you exhale, soften completely. Let the whole of your body weight drop down into the ground. A few more rounds like that. You can always come back to that 4-4 count if it helps maintain your focus. And you're welcome to stay here for a couple more moments. Or you might start to roll up through the spine. Remove that cushion out of the way, and we'll just close our practice down by bringing the hands in towards the heart center. Thumbs come up towards that space between your eyebrows, and then just take a bow down, thanking yourself for your practice. So it's not easy to set that time aside, get onto the mat, have the discipline to move your body, give it what it needs.
Thank you for joining me, and well done for completing your first yoga session with More Life. Hope to see you again soon in sessions to come.